Hey y'all, Carol Norby here. You're at my Stampin' Carol Lots of Crafty Goodness page, or you're on my YouTube channel. I struggled to come up with an idea for today. I had some things going on this week and really did not get some good time to research something. But I had this kind of fun fold in one of my Pinterest boards that I wanted to investigate a little more. So we're going to make a card using a drapery fold or a pleated skirt fold. I've seen it called both. So you can call it what you want. So anyway, I'll flip the phone over and we'll get started. Okay, get down to my page here. So I started with a piece of 6x12 cardstock. Now I know this is a little tough to see, but this was one piece, and I scored it. If I show it right, find the right spot. I had these both together, so this was all one piece, and I scored it at 2. Here's the 2. This is 3. This is 5, 6, 8, 9, and 11. So then I folded. So I will show you how that goes. So and then after I scored it, before I folded it, I marked 1 inch up from here and 1 inch down on this side and cut from pencil mark to pencil mark to get this. So one slice of 6x12 will make 2 drapery folds. So then you just fold it. Where's my score? Right there. Accordion style. Let's see, this one, I'm doing something wrong. There we go. It's going to be goofy on me. There, well, I just had the wrong direction. Hi, Angie. So okay, so there we go. Now you're going to get 2 different looks from the same piece in a sense, because here this strip is longer and here this strip is longer. But that's what you do, and you give it a good burnishing. Get that scored down really tight. Then you're going to do some adhering, because you know, right now this is not going to do very good as on a card. So I'm going to adhere right there, and that's going to be that piece. You got to watch where you glue, because if you glue in the wrong spot, it's going to be sticking way out here. So I'm going to go here. That'll go right there. Go here. And here. So there's those. I got a little bit over right there. And then you'll need to flip it over and fold again, because it's just not going to stay down. So what I did was I opened this up a little bit and glued. Open that up a little bit. Glued. And glued. So there are your 2 pieces. Now this is awfully large. This is roughly, oh, I think it was 5 inches by 5.5. 5 inches tall, 5.5 wide. Not quite 5.5. What is it? Oh, it's right at 5. 5 by 5. Okay, 5 by 5. That one's, you can see there's a little bit of difference there. It's just because of the way you fold. So I took a piece of cardstock, cut it on the 11-inch slide. It's 5.5, so I have a 5.5-inch square. And you can adhere this on here. But you can change the sizes. You know, if you don't like this length, you can cut off a little here, you can cut off a little here, and do what you want. Also, you can add a strip across the top to add your focal point. I have all these pieces from Photo Play. Like if I put a piece of yellow ribbon across here, or probably green ribbon, or even cardstock, and then add more and just decorate it. But I seen one where I want to try it where I'm going to cut this a little shorter, and I'm going to cut out an opening here on my top layer. So I would have to pencil it in and do it. But this is just really fun. So you can have it open either direction you want to go, whatever, you know, you can open it to the side, you can open it to the bottom. But try this fold. Like I said, I started with the 6 by 12. I scored it at 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 11 inches. And then I came from the end, because like I said, this was like this. Came down 1 inch from one end and marked, came up 1 inch from the other end and marked, and then cut diagonally. And then you fold. And that's all there is to this. So I am going to complete this card. You'll have to come back tomorrow and see it. So I'm going to flip this back over. So this is a really short video, but this has so much potential. But you will see my 2 cards tomorrow. Or if you're on my YouTube channel, you will see a completed card as the thumbnail picture, but you won't be able to see it real close. So come back tomorrow here on my Facebook page and on my stampandcarol.com. Also, I only have 2 qualified comments on my drawing for 24 cards. If you're on my Facebook page, it's a post that has been pinned to the top. It has pictures of the cards. And it's funny because I've had 44 people look at those pictures and only 2 comments. You have to be in the United States and you need to follow directions. The directions are in the body of the post. They're to protect you from scammers. So if you can, please try to follow the directions. So anyway, that's it for today. Wasn't this short? So I want you to try it. I mean, this is so easy. Pick a good paper. Like I said, this one here, you know, it has a print, but it has this solid here. If you have a single-sided print, that works really good too, because then the white that shows up is really neat. It's a really cool look. So anyway, I hope you all have a good day. I am going to finish this card. Oh, I wanted to show you something. I got a couple of stamp sets from the paper collage up in Tucson. I'm going to flip this over again just for the moment so you can see those stamp sets. They are so cool. So here we go. I'll come over here. I seen these on Pam's website, and I had to order them in honor of Shark Week. Aren't these so cool? And I got the coordinating dies, and she shipped them to me. She is such a sweetheart. This one is called Lookin' Shark. Lookin' Shark instead of Lookin' Sharp. Lookin' Shark. This one is Lookin' Shark Elements. So you got the little fish. Look at the look at the face on that one. You don't think he just seen something terrifying? That's the way I was when I watched one episode of Shark Week last week, one certain one, that had a shark by the name of Submarine. And I will give you the link on Monday, because Shark Week starts this coming weekend. On Monday, I have a link to the history behind that one that absolutely terrified me. I mean, I was trembling. And then the coordinating dice. So I'm going to be playing with these. So we'll flip this back. So anyway, when I'm done today, I'll probably be playing with this Stampin' Die set, because it's just too cute. I have 2 great grandsons that love Shark Week. So next week, if I do a card with the shark, I may be dressed for the part. So anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you, and come back. Catch you later. Bye-bye.